I didn't start saving until I was 56. I didn't start investing until I was grieving. I didn't believe in wealth for myself until I broke the poverty spirit off my life. But I'm here to tell you, it's not too late. You're not behind. You're right on time for recovery, restoration, and radical overflow. See, here's why your starting point doesn't disqualify your destiny. The enemy will tell you that you've missed your moment, but God's kingdom operates in kairos, not clocks. He's not concerned how long it took. He's concerned with when you said yes. Here's what wealth recovery looked like in my life. I started over, then started again, then started over, then started again. I forgave myself for not knowing sooner. I made bold investments even when I was scared. I let go of my pride and I partnered with wise counsel. I got honest about my numbers. I built new relationships with money. A relationship based on stewardship and not shame. I became a student again, and then I became a leader. I showed my grandchildren that it's never too late to build legacy. In Joel 2:25, it says, I will restore the years the locusts have eaten. You haven't missed it. You've been preserved for it. So here's some lessons from the trauma-informed girl. See, the trauma-informed girl thought her best days were behind her. She thought too much damage had been done, too many mistakes, too many delays, too much pain. But the moment I said yes to recovery, yes to truth, yes to wealth, God's way, everything changed. My comeback didn't need to be pretty, y'all. It just needed to be honest. Now I live and I am living proof that late does not mean left out. Our spiritual reflection comes from Ecclesiastes 3:11, where it says, He has made everything beautiful. It's time. God wastes nothing. Not your pain, not your delay, not your detours. You are stepping into a recovery season, and beauty is about to burst from all of the ashes. Our call to action for today, I want you to write this down. Write it in your journal today. I am not behind. I am aligned. Ask yourself, where have I been holding back because I thought I missed my moment? What would shift if I believed this was my time? If you're ready to stop circling old patterns and walk into recovery, join the Kingdom Wealth Vault, where faith meets financial alignment and trauma recovery leads to legacy. Your time isn't coming. It's here. I want to leave you with this word of encouragement. You didn't miss your exit. You're not too late. You're right on time for a new beginning. God's grace covers what time tried to steal. Now, our closing affirmation for this season, yes, we're at the end of the season, but for this season, for us and for your season, I want us to repeat this. Repeat this aloud. I'm not behind. I'm not overlooked. I am right on time for kingdom comeback. God is redeeming the years, restoring my confidence, and positioning me for wealth recovery and generational abundance. I counsel the lie that I've missed my moment. I'm not too late. I'm right on time. Everything the enemy tried to delay, God is accelerating with divine precision. I recover wealth, I recover wisdom, and I recover who I am. My season is now. My name is known in heaven, and my assignment will be fulfilled. Remember, we are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.